Welcome to fuOve, a different kind of social network. We are social beings, and in such, we participate in different kind of events all the time. We can be at a conference, we can be at sport events, or we can be in a party. Have you ever wondered how you can share moments that you take during those events with the other people that is nearby you? Yeah, of course, we have email. But email can be cumbersome to share information, files, or to have a real-time interaction with other people. And on the other hand, we have social networks like Facebook or Twitter. But if we allow other people to access our social network, maybe they will have access to other aspects of our life that we don't want to share. So what to do? Enters fuOve. fuOve is a different kind of social network that allows you to share files and share with users that you met once at some place without sharing any personal information. So that's great, but how does fuOve? fuOve is a smartphone application that allows you to share files and chat with people that you have in different groups. When you install the application, a small tutorial on how to use the application will be shown. We will skip that tutorial now because you can check that later on your smartphone. Users are presented with two options. They can sync up or they can sync in into their accounts. So if they do not have an account previously on Key, then they can choose to connect using Facebook or creating an account in Key. Whichever method they choose, they will be able to sync in. So when the user already have an account, now she can sync in. For that, she can also use Facebook as before, or just enter the username and password that was created in the previous step. Note that verification is mandatory in this application, so if you use the creating a key account method, then you will have to make it verified before logging in. After you log in, you will be presented with a screen that shows you the groups that you belong to, and also it will display your display name and information about you. You can start by changing that display name by clicking on the current display name and then clicking on the save button that will appear. You will also have three options to play with. The first one is to refresh the list of groups that you belong to. The second one is to scan an invitation from another user to join a group. And the later one is to create a new bubble or group. When you create a new bubble, then you will define a new group to share information with. When creating a new bubble, you have to define three entities: the name for the bubble, the expiration date for the bubble, and the password. And also you will have the opportunity to select a nice background from the set that we provide to you. After creating this bubble, you will be redirected into the groups page. The groups page shows you also three options. You can create QR invitations to add new members to your group, add files to your group, and chat. That is not displayed in this picture, but you can go down to the screen and check the chat entry. Also, you will see all the information that is currently available on the group and which you can refresh by clicking on the reload button. When you click on an item on the group, you will be asked to select the application to open that file if it is available. Finally, you can use invitations to join existing groups. When you are on the group page and you click on the members button, you will create a scan code like on the right side of your screen. Other users must click on the invitation icon that is on the main page of fuOve to scan this invitation. After they scan the invitation, a pop-up will be displayed, so you can select whether you can join or not the group. If you decide to join the group, then a reply will be generated also as a QR code, and the owner of the group must click the scan QR code button, the green one, to add that member to the group. I know that this is maybe cumbersome at the beginning, so we are planning for NFC, multicast, and Wi-Fi direct mechanism. fuOve is a nice application, but still have some bugs. For example, only email verification works for now. We are working on the phone verification, but it is not done yet. Since we are in beta and we are testing only the functionality of the application, the bubbles are not expiring yet. After going to production, all existing bubbles will be deleted. So be careful what you are storing now. For some reason, push messages are not always received, so we are trying to debug what happened. Maybe it's a configuration problem with our application. And finally, it only works when connected to the internet. So we know that you usually want to share information when you're not online, like in parks or business trips or whatever. So we are planning to release an offline version soon. Thank you for watching and hope that you will enjoy fuOve.